Goes on and on and on. Beautiful place. It's coming to some sort of gatehouse now, or gateway that leads you probably into the old town. That would have been fortified. Portcullis or something would have been there, maybe. What a beautiful place. So we're round the back end of this castle. It's quite an unusual one because it goes up the hill here, comes down the hill, and then the main entrance is over there. So that's where all the, if you see all the arrow slots on all the turrets, that was the defending part, and there as well. Then you'd have to get right up that hill on top of that castle to get up to the keep. Would have been a bit of a mission, I think. We're just going to get some tickets and go in the castle now. Come up in a minute. So, that's a view and a half, isn't it? Yeah. Love it, love it, love it. That's the main town up there. Looks like a cathedral site over there. Let's go around all the way. So that's the part of the moat. We'll go up there in a minute in them towers. So we're at the Chateau de Fougères. It's around about 40 minutes from us, and it's a lovely old 14th or 13th century castle. And look over there, look. Now that would interest me because I'd love to make something like that. Trebuchet, just over there. Anyway, we're going up higher and higher, so we get to the top of the castle. Hello, Archie. We're going right up in the tower, are we? Up there, look. So these are the other end of the castle now. And that tower there is called the Goblin Tower. We're going to go right up on the top of that. Yeah, nice. Now we're entering the Tower of the Goblin, it's called. Tower de Goblin. Proper old castle, this one. But it's got some stories to tell. And the arrow slits, look. So you can have had one man standing here, one man standing here, and there as well. And then these ones, they're an arrow slit, but I think they're more of a cannon slit later on, that would have been, with the round holes there.
I bet the floorboards are out
Yeah, it looks like original floor. So we're just going to go further up now in the tower.
A lot of steps.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's funny how they're random, the steps are different heights, aren't they? You've got to watch where you're walking. Yeah.
Yeah, a turret tower.
No one. Yeah, these are just like where the archers would be. Possibly a cannon here later on. Maybe here. See where they've chopped it out there. So they're probably aiming for the entrance, which is over there. Yeah, let's go up further, Trace.
Hang on.
Right. Got a couple more to go up, I think. And you notice that when you spiral up, you're going anti-clockwise, so the defenders who are coming down at you, they would have been able to fight with their right hand, but the invaders couldn't. It'd be awkward for them. It's another level. This is where they kept warm. So they've had a fire here. Let's have a look. So it goes up out there, the chimney. Nice big corbels. Huh?
This door could be quite old.
Yeah, probably. So I just come up to the top of the tower. We'll come back to this bit in a minute. Out here. Hey, look at that.
Oh, that's a view.
It's a view, isn't it? Hey.
Oh, that's for the children.
Bonjour! James and Abby. And the boys. And that there is the final keep. So they'd all go in there, the battlement, I think they call it. They all go in there when it's been compromised, the whole castle. And there, probably, is the quarry where they quarried all the stone for this castle over time. And most of the town as well. Still goes up, but I don't think we can go up anymore. It's lovely. What do you think, Trace? Nice, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely. Perfect. I didn't realise actually when I saw it on the internet how big it was, but the town itself is lovely. So
Beautiful town.
if you're in this part of Normandy,
Which is called?
Fougères, this is Chateau de la Fougère, then I highly recommend visiting the Chateau castle, and there's activities as well for children.
Yeah,
so.
and also you got outside, you got lots of creperies, little restaurants, and that outside, just right, literally next to the castle. Lots of parking. Beautiful place, well worth a visit. Yeah, because you're fighting right into there. So
easy to defend. Didn't the French invent the English invented that?
I think so.
Spiral stone.
We're going up the main keep now. This tower.
Look at it.
Yeah, fireplace. So. So we're right up on the keep. There's a spout there for the water. So this is the last battlement now. She got overwhelmed, and that's why they call it the Goblin Tower. I think it's because of that witchy sort of hat-shaped roof. Lovely slate, very thick slate there. Beautiful, beautifully done. French are exceptional at doing slate work, just really good at it. Oh, I want to drop my phone down there. Yeah, tell us what you think. Beautiful place. History. It's 700 years old, odd, or more. Budo's car, James's pickup ticker. Just do some filming, Arch. So we're coming to the end of our castle tour, and these are the trebuchets they had for the castle. It's a small one here and a bit bigger there. You see them a lot bigger in the UK. They do build them. The old cannon, if you like, I suppose. Used to shoot them balls there. Yeah. So they're just on their own run now. Go towards the gatehouse, or the key where you come in. This was an old castle. Apparently, we found out some more information. It was started just over 1,000 years ago, the building, and that was a lot of the old stuff there. And different parts of this castle was being built on and built on over the years, or over a period of say 300 or 400 years, up to the 1400s. Yeah, it's been a nice day out with the family. See a lovely castle, a lovely part of France. Thank you for joining us. See you all on the next one.